What's up, Fruit Loops? Well, the continuing saga of the XS. It's done my head in today. Oh, before I go into that, that's the battery for the lawnmower. So, guess who's got to order a new battery tonight? Anyway, right. I've taken the coils off. You can see them. And I've tested them. Everything down here seems absolutely fine, hunky-dory. But I did find that at some point the wires have already been replaced. So I need to get in there and pull it all out through again and see what the hell is going on in there. In other news, now I've lost my indicators. Nothing. But they were working. So, don't know what's going on there. Anyway, she turns over alright. Just no spark. So, I've been a little bit... It's hot. Oh God, I'm way too fat for this. So yeah, that's been my day so far today. I'll probably give it another half an hour and I'm going to go in. Because kind of gets to you after a little while, you know, it's only so many things you can test over and over and over again. So I don't know, still got no spark, so I shall go and do some Googling, get on some forums, and see what's going on there. That's about it really, nothing profound today. Probably because I'm a little bummed about this. I got all excited earlier because the live terminal was a little bit loose. I thought, well, that is absolutely perfect because that's what it's going to be. So I tightened it up, no spark. There we go. What else? Load more Beetle parts went yesterday, so we're slowly making space in here. I've got to put get the LTD pretty much back together and then whack that on eBay for a couple £100. The XS, the other XS, the Midnight, I'm gonna put that together as much as I can with what's there. And I'll stick that on eBay for £400 or £500. I need it gone. I need the money. Tony offered to take the Midnight, and him and his mate would work on it, and they'll build it up and then sell it and split the money 3 ways, which is nice. But I need the money now because, because I need the money. Really, that's all it comes down to. So that's going to have to go, which again will free up even more space. Over the next couple of days we'll get up and get the fields finished. So they'll be all ready. And see where we go from there really. So there's a bit of an update of everything, but more about how irritated I am with my bloody bike that was running. It was running a couple of months ago. It's just... I don't know, it's weird. You never lose all 4 plugs at the same time, you know. It doesn't happen, it just doesn't. I don't care what anyone says. 2 coils do not pack up at the same time, and I've tested them and they're fine. So it's going to be something stupid, it's going to be a dodgy wire, which I'll probably spend the next half hour or so just fiddling about with it and see if I can get it to spark. If not, I might have to get somebody in to look at it because I don't do wiring. I hate wiring. I find it very frustrating, very confusing. And I've got no interest in doing wiring. You know, if I was interested in doing it, I'd just get in there and figure it all out. But it bores me. So why would I want to, you know? There you go. Worst case scenario, it's the CDI. And that really is the worst case scenario, because the engine's a 2H7, not a 2H9. So getting hold of a box for a 2H7, it's nearly impossible, you know. If it comes to that way, then it's going to have to be a whole new ignition wired up, which is an option. But that just puts me even further behind, so it's definitely going to be next year sort of thing. So I need to get it running, just so I can do one blit over the mountain. And I'll be happy then. I can come off the road and I can do all the other stuff to it. But yeah, there you go. Anyway, that's about it. Yeah, nothing profound at all. Right, be safe, be careful, do one thing each day that scares you, and look after yourselves, alright? Just because you're paranoid doesn't mean they're not out to get you, alright? Ta-da, love you.